Okay, I have a very exciting AI tool today. We're going to be using Gamma.app. That's the website. And basically with Gamma, there's another, you can type in basically what you want. But Gamma is good for making like presentations and a lot of other things. Let me see some templates that you can see. You can make a pitch deck. Here's some examples, brainstorming. Basically, it's a visual presentation that's done by AI, and you'll get to see how I do it. So once again, we're going to go back to our faithful tool, ChatGPT, and as you can see now, there's a pattern. You always notice I start with ChatGPT in helping with creating the prompt. The prompt is the most important thing because that's going to get you the best result for what you're trying to do, no matter what program you're working with. I always start with ChatGPT. So what I'm doing here is I created an outline for my course. So what I want to do is I want to put that outline in a presentation visual format. So I'm going to upload the outline. I already got the outline downloaded, as you can see right here for my course. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a prompt for Gamma to put that outline into a visual presentation, basically. So I said, I would like you to create a prompt for Gamma.app to take the outline and create a presentation with 7 slides and images. I'm going to put images too. And images. Okay. So let's see what it gives us. All right, let's see, Gamma prompt. Create a 7-slide. Okay. You can now paste that in Gamma. So we're going to paste our prompt. Command copy. Go to Gamma. Now, all of these tools that I've been showing you have a free version that you can get started with. And remember, the link to get the application that I use on each video is below each video. So keep that in mind. So we're going to go to Gamma's, create a new, and then we want to enhance docs presentations, create a 1-line prompt in a few seconds, create from notes and outline or existing content. So we're going to do the paste the text. Let's see. Because you can do with this one, you can type in a 1 line and create it, but I wanted to use the create notes and outline of existing content, okay? Paste the content here. Command V. Summarize. Into beautiful presentation. Okay. So we want to create a presentation. Create using text exactly. Trying to see which one I want to generate from notes. Okay. So let's do that. Generate from notes. Configuring your prompt. Okay, let me pause. I'm gonna have to buy some credits for this because I didn't have enough. Upgrade to Pro to generate up to 60 cards. I don't want to generate 60 cards. Okay, let's go. Concise. Visuals, I like that color. That's my color there. Content. Okay. Alright. Auto images, AI module selected. I'll do auto. Ag. Futuristic. Card by card. Please specify the content on each card. Freeform lets you scale or shrink your content into mini card. I do card by card, okay? Image art. So you can edit these cards. Format, presentation. Okay, then you hit generate at the bottom. I can get so it's generating the presentation. All with the power of text. Look at that, creating beautiful presentations. You made your first Gamma. And I did this, guys, with the free version. Every card is made up of edible blocks. And AI creator intro kit. Like I said, you can edit. Everything looks good to me. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Imagine going into your meeting with your presentation like this in a matter of seconds. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit present. And I'm going to show you the presentation. presenter view. I'm gonna go, okay. Alright, so it's at the bottom. So as you can see, look how nice that presentation is. Go to the beginning. Gamma.app, professional presentations with text. So here's the beginning. Look how professional that looks. Mastering, and this just is a overview outline of the course in a beautiful presentation mode. So that's going to be our training for the day, guys. Go ahead and download Gamma. I did this with the free credits, so you can build something like this for your business free to get started. Remember to use the prompt I showed you. Of course, edit it. Always edit the prompts. And then put whatever business you got. Put your outline of your business in there instead of my outline. And you'll be able to create something like this for your business. All right. See you on the next training.